It's already been over a year now since I got this desk, and I gotta say, decorating this desk has been a quiet challenge for me. To be honest, over this past year, I realized that this desk was just too small for me. So today, I'm building a new one, sent by Flexaspot.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by, doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had.
So say goodbye to my old desk and to my back problems. This is the E7 standing desk by Flexaspot. So the main reason why I need a desk like this because I've been struggling with my old desk that was just a bit too high for me, and plus it didn't have the space for my other accessories. So switching with an adjustable desk like this was a real game changer because it has a adjustable feature which just allows you to effortlessly switch between sitting and standing position. I personally pick a larger countertop because I want something that I could also put my drawing easel, sketchbook, paints, and all of my artistic tools with no problem. When I first saw this desk, it seems way bigger than I imagined because I forgot to measure it first, but you know what? It turns out to be exactly what I needed. Maybe deep down, I just crave for a change in my workspace. So lesson learned, always measure before you buy, okay? So for me, this is one of the good investment because from my experience, it is so very sturdy and they all made from strong materials with a high adjustment range and a weight capacity too, 125 kg and 355 pounds. So there's no wobbling or shaking to distract you, whether you're typing or sketching. A Flexaspot Desk E7 gives you a solid surface to work on. So I definitely recommend this one if you're a content creator or an artist. You can check their website if you want a premium standing desk like this, like the E7 Pro model, which is more stable. So a big thanks to Flexaspot for sponsoring this video.
Feeling is all gone.
When it comes to lighting, the lamp that I use sometimes in my videos is the same one that I've been using 3 years ago. And it is still my favorite because you can adjust it to any angles that you want, which is super reliable. And for the bulb that I use in this lamp is from UG Lights. So I would say I highly recommend this one if you're an artist because this bulb use a LED technology which consumes significantly less power compared to traditional bulbs. I've been using these UG lights in my studio for over a month now and the color accuracy is just phenomenal. I also like how my painting looks exactly the same under UG lights as they do in natural daylight. And using this light, my eyes don't feel strained anymore. So the overall ambience is so much pleasant for me. A lot of you asking what editing laptop that I use in my videos. This is the MacBook Pro M1 chip. I remember when I bought this, I got totally bankrupt, so it is not a wise decision to get something like this for starters because it is not so cheap. So maybe if I were to go back, I would probably go for a MacBook Air. And aside from that, I still been using this laptop stand from GrooveMade for over a year now. And it is probably one of the aesthetic design I've seen so far. I also got this desk tray from GrooveMade where I put some of my important art materials that I only need for sketching, which is very convenient. And to my second monitor, this is the Huion Canvas 24 4K, which was sent to me by Huion. But I will cover that in the separate video, so I'm using it now to practice some digital art and also set as my second monitor for my editing because it has a larger screen. So recently, I got the Snap iPhone tripod by Muff, and it is one of the useful accessories that I ever used so far. Not only can use it as a tripod by simply unfolding it, but it also functions as a phone stand. It is incredibly compact and lightweight, making it the perfect on-the-go creator like myself. It folds down into a slim profile so you can easily slip that into your bag. And plus, it is made from durable materials, ensuring it can withstand in the daily use. And for my iPad, I got this Snapload Folio, which is also sent by Muff. I picked this one because I wanted an iPad stand that I could also fold into drawing stand. And also I could fold into like this so I could watch some of my favorite TV series. Actually, this stand folds into 3 different modes, which I mainly use it for drawing or editing, but it also set as my second computer if I just wanted to. This folio also has a strong magnet so you don't have to worry about the stability. I personally like this one because it is so very functional, making it a perfect stand for my iPad.